Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patron. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying the life and enjoying the collection which I am sharing with you, and the patrons and the design which I am including in my designs in my collections. So once again I am with amazing collection of these wall art and wall frames you can make with crochet with 3D flowers, small flowers you can add to these frames, and small patterns. You can make so many patterns and just add to the frames and hang on the walls. It looks really amazing and your walls will be so guys, you can make your house beautiful and make your house amazing. You can see all the designs are really amazing and make your house beautiful and lively with amazing beautiful color combination and designs which are amazing, and I have included in the video. So guys, these all wall art are really amazing and you can make for your house, and these 3D flowers you can make for any kind of decoration, any kind of amazing pattern for your home decoration. These are little flowers you can just make with the crochet. I hope you will definitely love, and all the designs which are included in this video are amazing and you will definitely love all the designs. As you know that I bring these kind of information and collection to give you amazing view and amazing information about the crochet patterns which are in fashion nowadays. I hope you're getting all the ideas and liking all the ideas, and I just make sure that you don't miss out any new designs which are in nowadays, and you can just have all the information and new design patterns which are in nowadays. So guys, if you're liking the designs and if you are enjoying the collection, please share these videos with your friends also, so that they can also make these amazing patterns and collection for their crochet projects. And guys, if you're liking the videos, please give me your feedback. Let me know what kind of things you're liking, what kind of things you want to watch more, and what kind of things you don't like, so that I can just make videos accordingly. I can just use these ideas for the collection. And guys, if you are new on the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to make something. So guys, if you're liking the patterns and the designs which are included in the video, you can just let me know in the comments, and also just give me feedback about the patterns. And guys, if you want to make something with the crochet for your house, for decoration, don't need to go to different kind of website, don't need to search the designs on Google. Just come to my channel, you will find so many ideas and you will definitely love all the ideas which are included in my videos, and you will definitely love the designs and pattern which I share with you. I gather these kind of information from different kind of platforms to just make amazing collection for you. I hope you are liking and already just enjoying the collection. I hope you're enjoying this video also, because these are amazing patterns of flowers and wall art. You can make these amazing wall art for your walls, for any kind of corners of your house, and make your any kind of room amazing and beautiful and lively with amazing vibrant colors and things you can make with the crochet for the decoration of your all the walls of your house. I hope you will definitely love this collection, and you can just make these amazing flowers and petals for your decoration pieces. I hope you are going to just make these designs for your house also. And guys, I just give you idea about all the new collections, all the new patterns which are in nowadays. I hope you're liking the ideas and liking the patterns and the designs which I am sharing with you on the channel. And just keep on sharing, keep on liking the channel, as you already giving amazing response to the channel, and watch all the videos. And thanks a lot for your response, that really means a lot and highly appreciated. And keep on waiting for upcoming videos. I'll be making more videos, more designs for you. So guys, I hope you liked this video and you're going to watch a full video for the amazing ideas.